Introduction to bell peppers. Friends, today we are going to talk about a vegetable that is not only colorful and tasty but also one of the best natural foods for weight loss. Yes, I'm talking about bell peppers, also known as capsicum. You must have seen them in green, red, yellow, and even orange colors at the market. Each color looks attractive, but did you know that every color has its own unique set of health benefits? Bell peppers are low in calories, rich in vitamins, and packed with fiber. This makes them a superfood for anyone who wants to lose weight in a natural and healthy way. Throughout this video, we will explore how bell peppers can help you burn fat, control hunger, and improve your health. So let's begin our journey into the colorful magic of bell peppers. Low in calories, high in fiber. One of the biggest reasons why bell peppers are perfect for weight loss is their calorie count. A whole cup of chopped bell peppers contains less than 50 calories, which is extremely low. This means you can enjoy a big portion of them without worrying about gaining weight. But at the same time, they are high in dietary fiber. Fiber plays an important role in keeping you full for a longer time and reducing unnecessary cravings. When you eat fiber-rich foods like bell peppers, digestion slows down, and your stomach feels satisfied. This combination of low calories and high fiber makes bell peppers an ideal choice for anyone who wants to shed extra pounds without starving themselves. Boosts metabolism and burns fat. Another amazing benefit of bell peppers is their ability to boost metabolism. They contain a natural compound called capsaicin, especially in red bell peppers. Capsaicin slightly increases your body temperature and helps burn more calories. Even though the effect is mild, when you add bell peppers regularly to your diet, your body's metabolism becomes more active, and fat burning improves over time. Imagine eating something delicious and still helping your body burn fat. That's what bell peppers can do. So, if you want to speed up your weight loss journey in a natural way, make bell peppers a part of your daily meals. Rich in vitamin C for energy, bell peppers are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C. In fact, a single red bell pepper contains more vitamin C than an orange. Vitamin C is extremely important for your immune system, but it also plays a role in weight loss. It helps your body absorb iron, supports the production of collagen, and keeps your skin glowing. But most importantly, vitamin C helps reduce fatigue and keeps you energetic. When you feel active, you can exercise better, burn more calories, and stay motivated throughout your weight loss journey. So eating bell peppers is not just good for your health, but also for your energy levels. Full of antioxidants and detox power, bell peppers are loaded with antioxidants like carotenoids, beta-carotene, and flavonoids. These compounds help cleanse your body from harmful toxins and reduce inflammation. Toxins in the body are one of the hidden reasons why many people struggle to lose weight. When your body is overloaded with toxins, metabolism slows down and fat burning becomes harder. By adding bell peppers to your meals, you support your liver and digestive system in detoxifying naturally. This makes it easier for your body to lose excess fat while improving overall health. In short, bell peppers not only help in weight loss but also cleanse your body from the inside out. Controls hunger and cravings. One of the biggest challenges in weight loss is controlling hunger and cravings. Bell peppers are a fantastic solution because of their high water content and fiber. When you eat them raw or cooked, they fill up your stomach quickly and keep you satisfied for a long time. This prevents you from snacking on unhealthy junk food or overeating during meals. Bell peppers also have a naturally sweet and crunchy taste, which can replace unhealthy snacks like chips or fried foods. So next time you feel hungry between meals, try munching on some sliced bell peppers instead. They will keep you full and also help you stay on track with your weight loss goals. A perfect weight loss snack. If you're looking for a guilt-free snack, bell peppers are the perfect choice. You can eat them raw, dip them in hummus, or add them to a healthy salad. Unlike processed snacks that are high in sugar and fat, bell peppers are fresh, natural, and full of nutrients. They are portable, easy to prepare, and can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Just cut them into slices, pack them in a small box, and take them with you to school, work, or while traveling. This way, whenever you feel hungry, you'll have a healthy snack ready. Choosing bell peppers as a snack can help you avoid junk food and speed up your weight loss journey. Best ways to eat bell peppers. There are many delicious ways to include bell peppers in your diet. The healthiest option is to eat them raw in salads because raw peppers preserve all their vitamins and antioxidants. However, you can also grill them, roast them, or stir-fry them with other vegetables. They blend perfectly in soups and pasta dishes, and you can even stuff them with quinoa or lean meat for a complete meal. The best part is that cooking does not completely destroy their nutrients, so you can enjoy them in many different styles without losing their health benefits. Adding a variety of colorful bell peppers to your meals will not only make your food more delicious but also more effective for weight loss. Improves digestion and gut health. A healthy digestive system is very important for weight loss, and bell peppers can help you achieve that. Their high fiber content supports smooth digestion and prevents constipation. Fiber also feeds the good bacteria in your gut, which improves gut health. A strong gut is linked to faster metabolism, better nutrient absorption, and reduced bloating. Many people gain weight because of poor digestion and slow metabolism. By regularly including bell peppers in your diet, you improve your digestion naturally and support a healthier weight. So remember, good gut health is the key to sustainable weight loss, and bell peppers are a simple way to achieve it. Final thoughts: bell peppers for weight loss. So friends, as we have seen throughout this video, bell peppers are not just a colorful vegetable for decoration, they are actually a powerful weight loss food. They are low in calories, high in fiber, rich in vitamins and antioxidants, and perfect for boosting metabolism, reducing hunger, and cleansing your body. Whether you eat them raw, grilled, or cooked, bell peppers can make your weight loss journey easier and healthier. So the next time you plan your meals, don't forget to add some colorful bell peppers. They are tasty, versatile, and can truly become your best friend in losing weight naturally. Stay healthy, stay active, and let bell peppers add both color and fitness to your life.